and it's just right in the middle of the city.
I love it.
This is amazing.
Welcome to my 5 minutes Thai food, your passport to amazing world of Thai cuisine. I'll bring you quick and delicious Thai food experience in under 5 minutes. So join me as we explore vibrant market, local stalls and authentic Thai kitchens and discover the wonder of Thai food, all in just 5 minutes. Today I'm at Samyan Midtown. I'm just waiting for Karee and Dicky to be coming here. We are gonna try out one of the rice with crab dry curry, right? Or I just call it in Thai, Khao Rad Kai Kon, which is one of the most famous one in this area, Samyan area, nearby one of the most famous university, and it's just right in the middle of the city center. You can come here by the MRT to Samyan station and you can just walk here. It may take you 5 minutes or 10 minutes to get here. One of my friends is here now, Dicky. She just walked there. I think you can see her. She's running now.
Hello guys.
Yes, she's here. We're just waiting for Karee now.
Okay, yeah, sure.
So we're gonna go for Khao Rad Kai Kon, which is one of the really great one, and the price is just so cheap. It's only 75 baht per one dish.
Scrambled eggs. So he's obviously used a lot of egg. As I said before, oyster sauce, soy sauce, the oil from the Prikpao chili paste, and he's just scrambled that over high heat. So I'm gonna get a little bit of everything, and I'm gonna grab that piece of crab. Just 70 baht for the crab. I don't really care which part of the crab it's come from. It's unbelievable. I love it. Comfort food, level 100.
Right guys, we had so much food in here. Crab with curry yellow powder, chunks of crab, what's left over with eggs. My favorite, this is my personal favorite, glass noodles. Like Dan said, it doesn't need any seasoning. It's just the big chunks of crab with these glass noodles, with the greens. I always like greens in my food as well. And that chili jam, the sweetness, the salt and the charcoal from the wok. This is amazing.
I think we might have just saved the best until last here. I love a glass of noodle. And anything with Prikpao, very, very nice. It's sweet, it's salty, savoury. It's a bit like a Pad Muern Li with Prikpao chili sauce. There's a bit of dark soy in there as well. You got a wonderful char on the eggs. He loves an egg in here, doesn't he? And then, as Diggy said, you just got that sweetness coming through again from that crab meat. I can't believe we've got all this crab meat for about 210 baht or something ridiculous for all 3 dishes. I wouldn't be able to get that for 210 baht in England.
We are here at Krau Chula, which is a really famous rice with a crab curry, right? It's actually called Pad Muern Li. We got 2 dishes here, which is the Khao Rad Kai Kon, which is 75 baht. It's only $2. And Pad Muern Li, which I don't know how much. I'll check it out and let you know later on. As you heard Karee and Dicky say, it's all really good. And as a Thai person, I can say, come here. It's 10 out of 10 for sure. Especially this one is really good. I love it so much, and I know my wife, she's gonna love it. So I'll bring her back here. She enjoyed it.
มาแล้วค่ะทุกคนดูดิดูความเด้งเด้งเด้งเด้งเด้งเด้งเด้งเด้งอร่อยอ่ะอร่อย
กี่บาทนะ
75 บาทดูแม่ดีอร่อย
ชอบไหม
อร่อย อร่อยมากมันจะมีความเผ็ดอ่ะย่าชอบกินรสจัดมั้งแต่อันนี้ครบโจทย์เลิศปูนี่คือดีอยู่แล้วตั้งแต่จานแรกแล้วเดี๋ยวขออีกคำนึง เฮ้ยอร่อยว่ะลูกนี้มาตั้งนานแล้ว
Make sure you come early, around 9 o'clock, latest 10, otherwise the queue going to be too long. Here, Krau Chula 50. Go for it, guys.